Good day, I am Marshall Makhubo, the author of a novel titled Love Lies Beautiful and Ugly, and an anthology about gender-based violence, Why Do We Kill a Woman and Why Are We So Bitter? Unfortunately, I don't have a balcony, but I had to take this video anyway. During this hard time we are facing worldwide, I have not stopped fighting against gender-based violence. And there are a lot of companies out there and campaigns fighting against gender-based violence. And today we are here to tell you, you are not alone, and you should be able to identify a toxic relationship and be strong enough to walk away. And if you don't have the courage, and if you see any signs of abuse, we are here for you. Reach to us, and we will definitely help you. Do not be ashamed to admit that you are being abused.